I don't necessarily need to say everything in one fell swoop standing at a wedding, because again, it's day to day, it's how we interact, it's how we treat each other, and it's what we say day to day. So
he is my best friend and my love, and even though we've lived together and we kind of feel married already, it's just nice to have this moment together, and I'm excited. And I don't know how all of us are going to make it down the aisles.
This is my brother, so I don't want to cry.
It's very emotional.
I'm very emotional, yeah. But no, he's my best friend. I've known him forever, and he will always be that.
In life, we have the obligation to be happy. It's not a choice. Today, I want to tell you, Alemara Court, Alemara, you have the obligation to be happy. Everything else will come attached to it.
I therefore pronounce Alemara and Court as husband and wife.
You don't have to tolerate each other. Love each other. You don't have to argue. Have a dialogue. Don't be selfish. Share it. Alemara, hija, keep being in the way you are. Honest, very direct, strong, but humble. Court, keep being the honest man that you have been always with. Loyal and a good friend that you have been with us. For both of you, be an exceptional couple, and remember that you have only one duty in your life, and is to be very happy forever.